Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to check SSD drive health in Windows operating system. How to do this? Let's start. This software setup link will provided in video description. Now right click on it and run as administrator. This window will appear. Now accept the terms and condition and press next button. And again, now this installation button will appear. Now click on install button. This installation process will take some time. This depends upon your PC or laptop speed. Now you can see here installation is completed. Now click on finish button. This software icon is appear on desktop. Now right click on it and press open button. This software interface will open. Now you can see here this automatically detect your SSD drive, and you can see the complete report of your SSD drive. But you can see here this something SSD drive health is at 9%. That is actually good health, and its temperature is 40%, almost 41%. That is actually a good temperature rate. The simple step that you can follow to check your SSD drive health. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.